In this video, I will show you step by step how to start earning commissions for promoting Stacklii by becoming an affiliate. So just in case you're not 100% sure, what is an affiliate and what is affiliate marketing? So by creating a unique link and referring people to start using Stacklii, you actually become an affiliate of the platform. So as an affiliate, you will earn monthly recurring commissions of 30% on any person you refer to Stacklii, and you'll keep on earning those commissions for as long as their payment plan stays active. So you earn 30% commissions and you've got a 90-day cookie that tracks those affiliates in your own dedicated dashboard. So how do you get started as an affiliate? Well, first of all, you click on the affiliate login. Now, if you do not yet have an account, let me just quickly show you. If you don't have an account yet, it will ask you to either log in. If you do have an account, if not, click on the Get Started button and you can register yourself as an affiliate. It will only ask your name, your email, a password, tick the I'm not a robot box, click on Get Started. You will also immediately receive an email once you've registered with a little bit of info and some more tools that you can use. But if you are already an affiliate and you already created your account, you can just click on Affiliate Login. Once you click on that, this will bring you to your affiliate dashboard. Now, this dashboard, this account does not have any information as this is just a demo account. But let's quickly go through everything inside your affiliate dashboard. So in your dashboard, you can see all the statistics of how your links and your affiliates are performing. The amount of clicks, the amount of actual registrations, which is people that created their account in Stacklii, but they're not yet necessarily paying. And subscriptions are the people that actually started paying. You'll see the amount of sales that you've made in terms of dollars and refunds that were requested from one of your affiliates maybe. And just a basic overview that you can view either daily, monthly, or yearly. So this is under the dashboard. You can now create your own affiliate links either by clicking on Create a Link or going to the Links menu. Now, by default, you already have an affiliate link that you can start promoting, and this just takes people to the main Stacklii website. So how do you actually create your own links? Click on Create a Link and you can name this. Let's name this link Demo Link, or let's make a practical example. On the Stacklii website, you maybe want people to have a look at the templates. You don't want to take them to the main tab. So all you do is you copy the URL of this page inside of your platform. You can then paste the URL. In this case, it is themes. You want to take people to stacklii.com/themes, and you label this one themes or templates, however you want to label it, because this is the link that you're going to share with people. Notes is just an internal note for yourself to know this is the templates page. And all you do is click save and it will create this link. You can then start sharing that link. So once you've saved it, that is where the link will show up. All you do is click on the copy button and you can start sharing this link with people. Now, as soon as you share this link, or what you can do if you want to test it is just copy this link, open it up in an incognito browser or click on it yourself. And a few minutes later, if you refresh your dashboard, your clicks will actually go up by 1 or 2 or how many ever times you've clicked it. So you can actually test if this link is working properly. If it shows up as clicked, you know it's working. You can start sharing it with people. So what type of links do you actually want to share with people? You can browse the website, go through any of the available pages. So you maybe want to promote it as a booking and appointment system. People that you know that loves to actually automate the booking side of their business or the scheduling side of their business. So you can share this URL or you can share the resources, whichever link you want. But as an affiliate, we do have a few special offers that you can share. One of them is where a new user can get 1 month free on the smallest available plan, which is the personal plan. So they get 1 month for free instead of the normal 14-day trial, and after the 1 month, they will automatically continue on to a $24 a month subscription, of which you will then start earning 30%. So somewhere below or above this video, or in a comment section or somewhere around this video, you'll find this link, and all you can do is just copy this link and paste this link. So we can copy it, we can create a new link, paste this link in there. Just make sure when you paste a link, it already shows you this first part of the URL. So you just need to delete that. We don't want it double, and delete the line. So there we go. 1 month of the personal plan for free. You can label it. You can label it 1 month free or something like that. Give it a note, click save, and start sharing this link. So your subscribers get a bit of a special promotion if they actually use your link. So how do you now promote yourself as an affiliate? Now, under the banners area, there are a few images that you can use if you have a website or a blog or something like that, where you can either copy the embed code for the image itself, or you can click on the image. It will open up in a separate window. You can right click and save the image as a PNG or a JPEG or whatever you want, and repurpose this, use it wherever it is. There are a few in different sizes, 200 by 200 and 300 by 250. But as soon as you registered for your account, you would have also received an email which would give you access to the Stacklii Affiliate Google Drive. Inside of this drive, you'll find the same banners that are in your dashboard, but also a few additional images, and this will get updated. Currently, there are a few social media images that you can use for social media posts. So if we want to preview this one, you can actually just download this image, and it's already the correct size for Facebook. Use this image in a post that you make in Facebook or LinkedIn or wherever you want to. Add in a little bit of copy, but remember to add your affiliate link. Otherwise, you won't earn the commissions for this. Also included in this drive is some swipe files, some copy swipe files. Now, if you go into this folder, you've got 2 files. You've got a social media copy file and an email copy file. Now, if you look at the social media file, this is a few ideas on social media posts. If you go to the Facebook tab, you can, together with the image that you're going to load, add in this little bit of copy, and just remember to replace this piece of text with your affiliate link that you created. Similarly, you can do the same with emails. If you want to send an email to your audience, well, I've got a few suggestions for you. So you can, there's a subject line that you can use, add in this copy, just adjust it a little bit, tweak it so that it's correct for your audience. Remember to add in your affiliate link that you've created, this link that you've created in your links tab, add that into your email and send it to your users. You've got 3 ideas for emails that you can use. You can use it as is, you're more than welcome to, or you can adjust it to your own tone of voice for your audience. So you've started promoting Stacklii. How does the payouts now work? How do you actually get your money? Go to the payouts section. Your current balance shows the amount of money that that is allocated to you. It might not yet be available, but it is the current balance in your account. The locked balance is funds that are retained for 30 days, and this is purely because if a new subscriber wants to get a refund for his subscription, he's not necessarily happy using Stacklii, he needs a refund, this is where it will come from. The available to withdraw is what is actually available to you to withdraw. So the balance of the withdrawal would be a minimum of $50. So once this goes over $50, all you need to do is click on withdraw. It won't allow me now because we don't have available funding, but you click on withdraw, follow the steps, and it will send us an email to tell us that you would like to withdraw your funds, and we will pay that straight into your allocated account, whether it is PayPal or your personal bank account. Getting that funding out of your account is in your settings tab, and this is really important, really crucial before any payments can be made. Please ensure that all your information is up to date. Your billing info, we need all of this. Your company name, if you're running through personal account, not company, that's fine. Just add in your name if you want to. But we do need your address. We do need your country. We do need your banking information, especially your international SWIFT code or routing number. Every single bank has got some sort of an international payment number or a code that you need to give us. So please make sure, contact your bank, ask them if you receive funding internationally, what code, SWIFT code, routing number, or something like that would you need to give us. Please make sure that that is correct. Otherwise, we can't make the payments to you. So once you've withdrawn your money, your funds, your 30% commission for that payment will go into your Forex account, straight into your bank account. You just need to clear it with your bank. And within a few days, your funding would be inside of your account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to start promoting Stacklii and start earning commission. So start promoting Stacklii today and earn great commissions as our affiliate. Become our partner. And if you want to, you are also welcome to create your account. If you click on the builder, it will actually create your own Stacklii account, your free trial account, where you can start building your own website if you don't yet have a website, or if you want to start a blog or start building a way for you to promote Stacklii. This has got a preloaded template, but if you click on that account and you don't yet have one, it will ask you to choose a template and start building. So yeah, that's it. In a nutshell, if you do have any questions, you are more than welcome to contact us at support@stacklii.com.